Hello everyone, I am Yeshu. I welcome you all to engineering classes. As we were studying multiple integrals and its calculation, in last class we have studied double integrals and triple integrals. In this class we will study about change of order of integration. In change of order of integration, we find area of curves using strips, as this is horizontal strip and this is called to be vertical strip. As this is question and we are asked to change the order of integration, here in this limit variable is x, so it must be limit of y. If we are done with y, then we only left with x, so it must be limit of x. If they are asked to do change the order of integration, then it means that we have to change the order of this x and y. It means that here variable limit is of y, so we have to do variable limit of x and we have to do constant limit of y. So how we do it? We will study this with the help of examples. First question, show the area between the parabola y square is equal to 4ax and x square is equal to 4ay. If you remember, I told you in my previous lecture, as this is equation of parabola, if y is even, then parabola will be symmetric about x-axis like this, and here x is even, so parabola will be symmetric about y-axis. As I told you how to solve this question in my previous lecture of area of curve. To solve this question using change of order of integration, I have taken vertical strip. So here I have taken vertical strip means, it means along y-axis, it means that limit of y will be variable. As write it, if strip is vertical, then it's along y-axis. If it's along y-axis, then y will be variable, We have taken horizontal strip, it means along x-axis. If it's along x-axis, then x will be variable and y limit will be constant. Here this is vertical strip, it means that along y-axis, so y limit will be variable. So let's find it out. What will be the y limit? Here equations are x is equal to 4ay and y square is equal to 4ax. Find value of y from here. Value of y from one curve is this and from another curve is this. From here value of y is, and from here value of y is. So curve on lower part of the limit is this. So here value of y is this. So this will be the lower limit of y. Upper part of the curve is this. Here limit of y is this. So lower curve is this. So here value of y will be its lower limit. So on this vertical strip, upper curve is this. So this will be the upper limit of y as we have written. Value of x should be constant. So for that we have to find this point. How we find this point? I told you in my previous lecture of area of curve how we find x and y from curve. So for that find value of y from one equation and put it in another equation. Value of y from this equation is this, put it in this equation. So that whole equation has a x variable. Then we can find value of x. So put value of y from this equation in this equation. So x comes out to be 4a. Here we don't have need of y value, but we can find y value by putting value of x in this equation. X is 4a, so 16a square upon 4a. Value of y also comes out to be 4a. 4a and 4a. So this is value of y. Value of x is 0 to 4a. 0 to 4a. First of all, we have limit of y, so integrate it firstly with respect to y, then x. If we integrate it with respect to y, it will be limit of x will remain intact. Now integrate it with respect to x. I will write it like this. I did it by mistake. This root was on x also. This was root x. So its integration will be 3 by 2. So this will be 3 by 2. I write it clearly. Now put limits. For a raised to power 3 by 2, it will be 8a 3 by 2 minus 4a cube will be 64a cube. 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 will be a square. This a and a cube will get cancelled and this will be a square. So answer will come out to be 16 by 3 a square is the answer. Area of this common region will be 16 by 3 a square. Now next question, the double integral of this function is equivalent to, this is limit of x and this is limit of y. They are asking to change the order. So for that, firstly plot it. X is from 0 to y and y is 0 to y is equal to a. So from here we can plot this function. X is from 0 to y. 0. It means that if y is 1, x is 1, y is 2, x is 2. If x is 1, y is 1, x is 2, y 2, it means that it will be a straight line. Here y is equal to 0 to y is equal to a. Y is equal to a, it will be somewhere here. So we have to find this enclosed area. Here x has variable limits, that is from 0 to y. If x has variable limits, then it will be a horizontal strip. It means that they have taken horizontal strip. Change of order means horizontal strip will be converted to vertical strip and vertical strip will be converted to horizontal strip. This is a meaning of change of order. Firstly, we have to identify which limit is variable. So with the identification of limits, we get to know that it will be horizontal strip or vertical strip. If it's horizontal, then in change of order, we have to convert that horizontal strip to vertical. If it's vertical, then we have to change it to horizontal. Now it's horizontal. Now we have to give answer in vertical strip. Firstly, plot it. This is enclosed area. We have to change it to vertical strip. Firstly, write its equation. Equation of this line is y is equal to a. This line is x is equal to y. Write it here also. Now we have changed horizontal strip to vertical strip. Now this is vertical strip. It means that y will be variable. If y will be variable, then from this equation we can find the value of y. Y comes out to be y is equal to a, and from this equation y comes out to be x is equal to y. So from this equation, write it down. So this is vertical strip, y is variable. Lower part of this strip is on this line and equation of this line is x is equal to y. So value of y is x. So lower limit of y will be x. Lower part of the strip indicates lower limit, upper part of the strip indicates upper limit. Here upper part of the strip is on this line. Equation of this line is y is equal to a. So here value of y is a. Write it down. Here we are done with variable limits. It means that we are done with limits of y. Limit of x will be constant. So for that, find value of this point. Here value of y is a. From here we can find y is equal to a and value of x is equal to y. If y is a, then value of x will also be a. So value of this point is a comma a. This is 0 0. So limits of x will be 0 to a. Write it down. Limits of x will be 0 to a. This is limits of x. Now this comes out to be a answer. Now check it. It resembles with which? So option C is right one. This is IN GATE 2015 1 mark question. Now let's see, can we solve it with options? As in first option, its limit is from 0 to y. This is variable limit, and second limit is also from 0 to x. Second limit is also variable. So it can't be possible. One limit should be variable and other limit should be constant. So it can't be possible. With other example, its limit is from x to y. Both limits can't be variable, so two variables can't be in a same limit, so this can't be possible. Other limit is okay, it's constant, but two variables can't be in same limit, so this is wrong. Option C, its limit is from x to a and other limit is constant, it's from 0 to a, it can be possible. First limit is from 0 to a, it's constant, and other limit is also from 0 to a, so it can't be possible. Two limits can't be constant, so this is right one. In GATE questions, before solving the question, firstly see options whether you can solve it with options or not. In academic examination, you have to solve it because you get marks when you solve the question. Now next question, changing the order of integration in double integral. This is a function leads to this function. What is q? This function is given and we are asked to change the order of this function into this function, in which we are asked what is q. This is q. Here x is variable, so it must be limit of y, then this is limit of x. So first of all plot it. So for plotting it, we have to know the x and y value. Value of y is x by 4 and other value of y is 2. Similarly, x is from 0 to 8. So I am plotting it here on next page. Here y is x upon 4. It means that if x is 1, then y will be 4. If x is 2, then y will be 8. It means that it will be a straight line. Another value of y is 2 and x value is from 0 to 8. So 8 will be here. I am taking 8 here to form a closed curve. If I took 8 here to form a closed curve, I have to move this line like this. I show you how. If I took 8 here to here, to form a closed curve, I have to move this line like this so that it makes a closed curve. So we are talking about this area. I plot it again. Now equation of this line is y is equal to 2 as mentioned, and equation of this line is this x upon 4, y is equal to x upon 4. Question is about vertical strip. And they are saying to change the order of the integration. It means that change this vertical strip into horizontal strip. I plot it again. We have to convert this vertical strip into horizontal strip like this. We are taking horizontal strip, it means limit of x will be variable. So we have to find the limit of x from these equations. Here limits of x will be 4y is equal to x. So x value comes out to be 4y here. Here y is 2. Here on this equation y is 2. It means that x is 0. Here lower part of the strip is on this line. Here x is 0. So lower limit of x will be 0. And upper part of the strip is on this line. Here value of x is 4y. Write it down. So upper limit of x will be 4y. Similarly limit of y will be constant here. So here value of x is 8. So from this equation you can find the value of y. If x is 8, then value of y will be 2. So lower limit of y is 0 and upper limit will be 2. Now in question we are asked to find the value of q. This is q. Value of q comes out to be 4y. Now next question, consider the shading triangle region P shown in figure. What is this function? This is MA 2008 2-mark question. Here shaded triangle region P is this. This graph is given in a question. This is a shaded region. Now let's solve it. Here on this graph only one curve is there, which is this line. So we have to find the equation of this line. Equation of line is y is equal to mx plus c, which I told you in my previous lecture in area of curve. So m value is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 x plus c. C is y-intercept. Y-intercept means a point where this line cuts y-axis. Here this line cuts y-axis at point 1. So c is 1. So y, we have to find value of this. This is 2, 0 and this is 0, 1. Say this is y2. So say this is x2, y2 and this is x1, y1. y1. y2 is 0 minus y1 is 1 upon x2 is 2 minus this is 0. So y comes out to be, so this comes out to be equation of a line. So this comes out to be a equation of a line. As this is a graph, I draw it again. As this is a graph and this is a equation of a line of this graph. If we take vertical strip, it means that y will be variable. If y will be variable, find value of y from this equation. It will be, here function is this. We just need to find limits. Write the function. Here lower part of this strip is on x-axis. Here y is 0, 2, 0. Here y is 0. So y is from 0. Upper part of this strip is on this line. So this comes out to be value of y because we have taken vertical strip. Now value of x. Value of x must be constant. Value of x is from 0 to 2. Write it down and solve it. You will get your answer. Now put limit in place of y because we have integrated with respect to y. Two square will be 4. Take out 4 outside. Now solve this. Now integrate this function with respect to x. (0.16). Now this will be answer. Now alternate method to solve this question. To take this strip horizontally. As in question, it's not mentioned whether you have to take vertical or horizontal strip. I have shown you with vertical strip. Now let's try it with horizontal strip also. Equation of line is this. Now this is equation of a line. When we take horizontal strip, then limits of x will be variable. Function is xy dx dy. For that we have to find the value of x here. Value of x comes out to be 2 minus 2y. Here lower part of the strip is on y-axis. So on y-axis x will be 0. So x is 0. And upper part of the strip is on this line. Here value of x is this. Put it as upper limit of x. This comes out to be value of x. Value of y on this graph is from 0 to 1. Put it here. I am not solving this question. Solve this question by yourself and verify the result. It will come out to be 0.16. Now next question, the area of region bounded by parabola this and straight line this. X has even power, so parabola will be symmetric about y-axis. And straight line x plus y is equal to 3. A straight line, it will be like this. Equation of this parabola will be this and this line will be. I told you how to solve this type of question in area of curve lecture. But here I solve this question using order of integration. For that we need a strip. Say I have taken this vertical strip. This is vertical strip along y-axis. It means that y will be variable here. So let's find the value of y from these two equations. Y from this equation will be y is equal to 3 minus x and equation of y from this equation is this. So write it down. So value of y from this parabola will be lower limit of y. So lower limit of y will be x square plus 1. Upper part of this strip is on this line. So value of y from this line is this. So this will be the upper part of the limit. Write it down. Now we are done with limits of y. Now it's time for limits of x. For finding the x limit, we have to find this value. I told you in my previous lecture of area of curve how we can find the value of x and y. I tell you again. Equation of parabola is this and equation of line is this. We have to find the value of x. So put value of y from one equation to another equation. Substitute value of y from this equation to this. Now find value of x. Value of x from this equation will come out to be value of x comes out to be 1 and minus 2. Here we don't need to find value of y, but we can find value of y of these points also by putting value of x in this equation. Let's find it out. It will be 2 and 5. I'm just writing value of x. It will be minus 2 to 1. It's from minus 2 to 1. You can put full values like 5 and 1 comma 2. Firstly, integrate the function with respect to y, then x. It will be, here we are integrating with respect to y, so limits of x will remain intact. This will be 1.17 minus 3.33, which is equal to, so 4.5 is the answer. So 4.5 square unit is the area of this enclosed part. Now last question of this topic. Here fx is continuous function defined over xy. It's from 0 to 1. Given the constraint x greater than y square and y is greater than x square, the volume under fx is. So let's solve it. Here x is equal to y square and y is equal to x square is given. Here y has even power, so it will be symmetric about x axis. And here x is even, so it will be symmetric about y axis. This point is given, that is 0 1 comma 0 1. It means that this point is 1 comma 1. Here we have to find the area of this part. Here in every question you can see y is constant and variable is x. X is variable according to options. This is horizontal strip. It means that value of x is, from here value of x comes out to be root y is equal to x. Here value of x is equal to y square. So as you can see, lower part of the strip is on this curve and value of x on this curve is y square, as lower part of the strip is on this curve. This is lower part of the strip, so x will be here y square, and upper part of the strip is on this curve, so value of x on this curve is root y. And now value of y, as this is 1 1, value of y will be from 0 to 1. So 0 to 1. Here this is value of x and this is value of y. Let's see with which option it matches. So option is correct one. Now I am done with change of order of integration method. You need to practice this so that you can solve this question in examination. In next class we will start with another topic. If you are liking my videos, found it useful, then like, share with your friends, comment below and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.